Face and neck treatment. Remove makeup and wash face and neck area. Place marking paper on the jaw and forehead. Apply alcohol on the papers and remove them after 2 to 3 seconds. Do the same on eyes and neck. Remember to avoid throat and apply gel evenly on face, eyes, and neck with the thickness of a coin. Install neck handle and operate on marking cubes of the neck accordingly. Stamp on each cube 3 to 5 times. Make sure the probe is in full contact with the skin. Switch to face probe and operate on marking cubes accordingly. Stamp on each cube 3 to 5 times. Cover cheek, nose ring, and forehead. Switch to eye probe and operate on marking cubes accordingly. Stamp on each cube 3 to 5 times. Follow up with coat hammer operation. In circles on neck. Move from neck to face in circular and move horizontally in circles on forehead. Scrape off the rest of the gel with mask spatula. Clean face, eyes, and neck. Apply eye, face, and neck mask all at the same time. Take them off after 15 minutes and cover the whole face and neck area. Waist and abdomen treatment. Wash waist and abdomen with cleanser. Clean with fresh towel or disposable tissue. Place marking paper on the abdomen and apply alcohol on the paper. Remove them after 2 to 3 seconds. Apply gel evenly with the thickness of a coin. Install abdomen probe on the handle and operate on marking cubes accordingly. Stamp on cubes for 3 to 5 times. Make sure the probe is in full contact with the skin. Do not operate on the navel area. Add more gel during the process if needed. Move from left to right in circles. Cover the whole abdomen. Scrape off the rest of the gel with mask spatula. Clean the abdomen area. Follow up with coat hammer operation. Move the probe in circles on abdomen. Apply restorative mask. Remove mask after 15 minutes and clean abdomen with fresh towel or disposable tissue.